butter with the chocolate until it's stirred evenly. I know. Stir it all together. You have to stir it all together. Then we add these 5 things in. Set the chocolate outside. For the wet ingredients, we need eggs, a pinch of salt, granulated sugar, and brown sugar. Our baby will be pouring all of it in. It looks like honey. Mix the honey. Mix it all together. We are the mixer. And Jessica's the holder. Hold on. And I can't I don't. Okay, let me. I want to try it. That's really good. You'll never mess it up. Do you want? It's very easy and short. Sift your flour in the sifting basket with your baking powder. Naomi, you are getting your hand. Ew, it looks like snow. Like in the chocolate. And this cute. Here, crab. Let's put the dishes in the sink. Right, Carol, we have. Wait. Daddy. Oh, do you want to try? It's pretty good. Yeah, it's good. Oh, fine. Now we're going to be using an ice cream scooper to put our dough out onto the baking sheet. Okay, here we go. I make it. Also, I can bring it out on the plate and quickly flip it. Be near the ground and quickly flip it and then just like. That's what it is. That's what I quickly put it over there on the sheet and then flip it and then square. And there you go. We have 3 done. Chocolate, right? Then I'll do it after you mine. I think the best ones. Because mine is clear, clean, and good. I'm getting all of that. Preheat the oven to 350 Fahrenheit and bake for 15 minutes. Look how flaky and crispy these cookies are. It's time to try it! crunchy. It's the very crunchiest one I ever heard. And it's so good, and it even has so crunchy. We made it so good. I really love it. It's so crunchy and chocolatey. Thanks for watching. It's so good and crunchy and chocolatey. If you dip it in milk, it's like so drippy and wet, and it's so smooth to eat. Like the milk is this, it's good. We made ours so good. This will surely melt in your mouth. Yeah, like melt.